Have you ever wondered why people just scroll past your message? It's not because you're wrong. It's because what you're saying doesn't feel relevant to them. They see your post, your ad, your email, and they just keep scrolling, looking for something that connects. Every single day, we're bombarded with an endless stream of content. More data, more facts, more explanations. We're drowning in information. But here's the thing. Information alone doesn't inspire action. If it did, we'd all have perfect habits and make perfect decisions. The reality is, we don't act based on what we know. We act based on how we feel. People take action when they feel seen, when they feel understood. And that feeling, that deep connection, comes from one place. Stories. Stories are the language of the human heart. They bypass the analytical brain that is always looking for reasons to say no and speak directly to our emotions. Think about it. The best stories mirror real life. They're built on a foundation of struggle, followed by a moment of change, and ultimately, a sense of growth. It's a pattern we all recognize, because it's the pattern of our own lives. We face challenges, we learn, and we evolve. So, when your audience sees their own problem reflected in the story you tell, something magical happens. Their defenses lower. They stop resisting, and they start listening. Suddenly, it's not just another ad. It's a reflection of their own experience. They see themselves in the narrative, and that recognition builds an instant bridge. Every powerful story, whether it's for a brand, a cause, or a personal message, begins with a real, relatable struggle. Not some abstract problem, but a challenge that feels familiar and true. Maybe it's the frustration of being stuck in a dead-end job, the stress of managing a team, or the simple desire to be healthier. It has to feel real. Then, after establishing that struggle, comes the shift. This is the turning point. A new idea is introduced. A different approach is taken. It's that aha moment where a new possibility emerges from the old problem. This isn't about a magic wand. It's about a practical, understandable change in perspective or action. And finally, you show the result. But here's a crucial detail. The result shouldn't be a perfect, happily ever after fantasy. Life isn't perfect, and your story will be more believable if the outcome isn't either. Things aren't perfect, but they're better. There's progress. The character is now more confident, more capable, or more at peace. The success is tangible and, most importantly, attainable. This is the simple, yet incredibly effective, flow that every story should follow. Struggle, shift, and result. Write that down. Struggle, shift, result. It's the framework that makes stories resonate and stick. Now, here's a common mistake I see people make all the time. They try to be the hero of the story. They position themselves or their brand as the all-powerful savior swooping in to rescue the helpless customer. This approach feels arrogant and it pushes people away. Remember, the hero of the story is always your audience. They are the one on a journey, facing the struggle. Your role is not the hero. You are the guide. You're the wise mentor who offers the plan, the tool, or the insight that helps the hero succeed on their own terms. Think of yourself as Yoda, not Luke Skywalker. This is why storytelling is so much more powerful than persuasion. Stories don't push people to buy something. They don't use high-pressure tactics. Instead, they empower people to make a decision for themselves. They lay out a path and let the audience decide if it's the right one for them. When someone sees their own journey in your story, a deep sense of trust is built before you even ask for anything. They feel like you get them. You understand their struggle, and you've shown them a way forward. That trust is the foundation of any meaningful relationship, personal or professional. That's why this works. It's connection before conversion. It's about building a relationship first, not just trying to close a sale. The transaction is a natural outcome of the trust you've built. So, it's time to stop just explaining more, listing more features, and throwing more data at people. Start telling better stories. Find the struggle your audience is facing. Show them the shift that's possible, and guide them toward a better result. Because in today's noisy world, connection will always come before conversion. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, Hit that subscribe button for more insights on how to connect and communicate more effectively. See you in the next video.